All right, here we go. Question number 17 from our 0314 homework number 5 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say solve. So we have another rational equation. The denominators are different. Wait a second. I noticed this fraction and this fraction, they do actually have a common denominator. So I think what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to take a little bit different approach. What I'm going to do is take this 4 over z and move it over here. And I'm going to take this fraction and move it over here. And you'll see why in a second. So I've got 80 over z. That 4 over z is positive, so now he's negative 4 over z. And this 80 over z minus 5 is negative. When he comes over, he'll become positive. 80 over z minus 5. Now, if you look at what I've got here, I've now got the two fractions that have a common denominator together on the same side. I can combine them. 80 minus 4 is 76 over z. On the other side, I've got 80 over z minus 5. And if you notice now, what I have is a proportion. So I've taken my rational equation that had 3 fractions. I've now simplified it down to just 2 fractions. Now that it's a proportion, I can cross multiply. Okay, so this is a little bit easier strategy, a little bit easier technique to solve here. So we're going to go 80 times z, which is 80z. On the other side, it's going to be 76 times z minus 5. And I am going to need to distribute that 76. All right, so that's 80z equals 76z minus, I'm going to need a little calculator assistance, 76 times negative 5 is negative 380. And then I'm going to need to bring the 76z over. So that's going to give me 80z minus 76z equals negative 380. And then I can combine like terms. 80 minus 76 is 4z equals negative 380. And then if I divide both sides by 4 to get z by itself, again using a little calculator assistance here, negative 380 divided by 4, negative 95. And that should be the solution. And don't forget to check means plug in the negative 95 in for each z to make sure the denominator does not become 0, which it doesn't. And there you go. All right, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.